Anytime you have Velcro on anything, you're gonna have problems where it's gonna get clogged up, especially the hook side. This is a dog coat, so it sees a lot of extra dog hair and other fibers. Well, how do you clean this out? You can try to pick it out. You can try to pick it out and you can clean some of it up, but it's still a pain in the neck. This is a dog brush. Here's what came out of it. You can clean the rest of it up with your hands, take it out, and there you go. It's almost like new. If you want more, you can just take the lint off of this, do this again. And there it goes. It's 90% or more better. So clean up your Velcro like this, very easy. The hook side on the other side, usually the best way to clean that up is to take a small scissor and to cut it close so you get all the fuzz off. And so this way it'll re-expose new fibers. Thanks for watching.